Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a general and an informative video suggested by one of my subscribers. So the title would be things to carry during first time traveling to Austria or Europe as a student. So in this video I'll give you some overall informations if you're traveling for first time, what are the things you have to carry, what are the things you are not allowed to carry, and some general informations and tips and tricks. So as a first step, you have to carry most important documents like flight tickets, passport, visa, corona certificate, and PCR test results. So my advice is to put it in a separate folder so that you can show it to the authority very easily and make the process faster. And then check your flight tickets for the baggage details like baggage weights, so how much weight is allowed to carry, and the size of the bags. So you have to check the details on the ticket or in the official websites. And usually you have to carry two check-in bags and one cabin bag. So it would be like 23 into 2 check-in bags and 10 into 1 cabin bag. So next things to carry by category. So I'm going to tell you the things that you have to carry first time by category wise. So let's start with clothes, clothing, then books, stationery items, food items, electronics things, and toiletries and general medicines. And this medicine should be with the prescriptions. So these are the categories. And the next, things not to carry. So it's not allowed to carry any liquid items and more than 100 ml, and no needles, knives and cutters. So it's a general one, as you know. If you are traveling for first time, just read the descriptions. So these are the categories of things you should carry and things not allowed to carry. So how I carry all the stuffs while I fly first time. So there are two check-in bags and one cabin bag. So one check-in bag, I put all my apparels, clothing, books and stationery items, original certificates in one check-in bag. And the second check-in bag, I put all my food items, snacks, belt, shoes, socks, towels, bed sheet and toiletries, medicines with prescriptions. The third cabin bag, inside that I put all my tablet, laptop, mobile, headset and the power banks. So this is how I packed while I fly for first time. So you could also use the same idea, but yeah, it depends upon the person and how much things they have to carry, and yeah, it depends. So here is a last part, tips and tricks in my experience. So just an idea, just imagine from top to bottom whatever stuff you are using, just categorize them and put it in a separate bag, and that way you can organize all the stuffs. That would be one of the tip. And the second tip, don't bring liquid items more than 100 ml. During the check they will remove them, so don't bring them. And the third tip, bring some liquid cash and also some coins. It might be useful in the airport, so yeah, carry some cash. Then put on your jackets and pullover on you, so don't put it inside the bag. It may overweight, so just wear it. Then also I will leave the card link to a video. I already created a video for first time traveling to Austria, so go and check out those videos. And the last tip, don't carry any kitchen utensils. So initially, it's hard, I understand, but you can buy some affordable and cheap good products. There are a lot of shops here like IKEA, like Kika, Mobilex, where you can just buy some utensils. Yes, it's a quick video about things to carry while you are traveling to Austria for first time. So hope this video is very useful for you, and I will also put all the links and references in the description. Go and check it out, and consider hitting the subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye.